Brian Parthemore here of Parthemore Paranormal. I'm here with Sarah Parthemore, and today we got something interesting to show you guys and everything. We're in Belle Center, Ohio. Right in front of me you see a cage. This cage is actually pretty interesting. What if I tell you it used to be a jail? Which is pretty interesting in Belle Center. Because if you look at it, the main reason I shown the sky and everything, because how dark it is. Could you picture being in jail with no roof? But this structure is the former jail erected in Belle Center in 1880. This is thought to have been the last used May 25th, 1933. Then retired by the city fathers, it was restored by Richland Township Trustee in March 2005 and relocated to this spot. It's pretty cool, guys. Old jail cell. Which is pretty cool. Wonder if you can actually open it. That'd be cool. Let's see. Nope, it don't open. You see the old style lock thing they have for it. Or just pretty much where you just put a padlock in. It's pretty cool. But I'll show you more of this. It's pretty cool. It'd be a small cell. You see where they got the top on it. I wonder if they might have took people in if it was storming out. It'd suck to be out in the rain. Or even a lightning storm. Especially being all metal. It'd be cool to know more about this and everything. See the backside. But yeah, this is located in Belle Center, Ohio. If you guys ever want to check it out. The address is 615 Center Street, Belle Center, Ohio. GPS will take you right there. Here's another door. It's like I don't know why it's ended into the ground like that, but that'd be a short door. Go check out the other side. But this is just the back bar part. Might be another part of another cell. Pretty cool. What do you guys at home think? Remember to hit that like button. Share with a friend. But guys, go out and explore. Check out stuff around your local neighborhoods or cities. This is in Logan County, Ohio. It's pretty cool. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment. Keep exploring. Peace.